Standard Laxal scanning operations are crucial for increasing the scan success rate and data quality. In this video, we will introduce some precautions and tips to help you achieve high-quality point cloud. When scanning, hold the Laxal L2 vertically to the ground. The Laxal K1 should be tilted at 15 degrees to ensure to get sufficient ground point cloud. Avoid large swings or shake the device, and do not place it horizontally. During scanning, walk at a normal pace, without sudden stops or significant jumps. When encountering corners, do not turn sharply, but turn slowly around the corners. Narrow areas, walk slightly slower than normal to ensure adequate scanning coverage. Within 1 meter area of the scanner, avoid large-scale obstructions for a long time. In multi-room or multi-story indoor scenarios, please open all doors in advance and pause at the doorways until point clouds from both door and outdoor areas appear. Then slowly walk through sideways. If doors are not open, slowly turn around with the scanner facing away from the door. Block the light of view with your body. Open the door while facing away, and continue scanning. For outdoor scanning, such as in busy streets or roads with dense traffic, aim the LiDAR towards the side with static objects, and try to avoid facing directly towards people and vehicles. Mastering these scanning techniques can help you obtain high-quality point cloud data in most scenarios.